Those are some angry birds.
Get the cannons.
Cannons? For Turkey, sir!
Get the cannons and form a line! Ready?
Oh no!
Fire!
Huh?
The Great Turkey.
Hey, everybody! Welcome! Giant egg. Looks delicious.
Conservatively dressed human beings, I'd like to introduce the Great Turkey.
It wasn't the Great Turkey, it was always Reggie. My best friend.
He brings blessings to all of you. Honor him.
What is it?